A prayer of intercession for finding suitable housing. Most loving and merciful God, forever may your name be praised. I come to you today with a prayer of thanksgiving for your kindness to me in the past, and asking that you extend your favor to me again and grant me the gift of suitable housing for my family and me. You know my needs, Lord, and I stand on your promise to care for me in all matters in my life. Please open the floodgates of heaven and bless my family and me with the gift of a place that we can call home. Please allow us the privilege of living with dignity. Please stretch out your hand and give me the resources to meet the cost of maintaining our housing, Lord. Please show me how to lead a godly family within the walls that you have given us. Lord, please have mercy on me and bless my family with your favor. Answer with kindness and grace this faithful prayer in Jesus' precious name. Amen.